This video will show you how to access the writer history for the TripLog app, to view it, extract the information to an Excel file, and download the file. First thing you do is log in to the Syncletter transportation system, and you key in the URL sctrans for Syncletter transportation system, and then a dot website address. So it's sctrans.syncletterwi.org. That will take you to a screen whereby you can log in to the Syncletter transportation system. Press login, and you will be given a user ID and a password in order to enable you to log in to the system. Once you log in, you will be transferred to this screen. Now, this is the screen you use to view TripLog history, writer history for the TripLog app, and extract. You'll see across the top we have the from and to date. You can, it defaults initially to 10 days, the past 10 days. So it's to the 19th, which is today, from the 9th, which is 10 days from now, 10 days ago. You can modify the date range to modify both the from and to date range. And as you modify the date ranges, the data displayed will change. What we have displayed is the name of the client, the date that they were picked up. Now it's in reverse chronological order, so it's 9 down through the 8th here. So we have data for. The address, the location where they were picked up from, and the location where they were transported to. The next column is the distance. This is distance in miles that the trip took. The purpose of the trip is here. The driver of the vehicle. This is just test data that was entered by Mike. And then the vehicle number. All right, so that's the information we have, and we can download this to a spreadsheet to play around with it. So the way to get it to a spreadsheet is to click on the extract or create Excel file. Create Excel file, we click on that. Once it bounces, we know it's been clicked. And then click the download extract file. It will create a file that you can download, and it gives it a name, TripLog dash your user ID that you use to login time, and the date, the year, month, and day that is created. You'll notice it's a CSV format, which is comma separated values. And we can save it. Once you save it, then you can open it, and it will open the file in Excel. And of course, this is CSV, unformatted, so you can expand the columns just by highlighting everything and double-clicking between them. So this is the data that we downloaded. It's the same thing that we displayed on the screen. In addition to, you got the drop time, you got the pickup time and the drop time. Everything else is the same. Now, of course, once it's in Excel, you can play around with it, modify it, resort it, select different data, that kind of thing, however you like. The distance is calculated is very precise, of course. You can change that to just display 2 decimals if you prefer. So it is in CSV format, so any formatting you do here, once you save it, it'll be gone. So you can fix that by saving it as a XLS file. We'll just save it as a XLSX file. That puts it in standard Excel format, and you can change the data, change the formatting, coloring, whatever, as you like, and then when you save it, it'll preserve all that formatting. So anyway, that is how to define the date range you want to view the data, then create the Excel file by clicking on that button. Once it's created, you can download it by clicking on this button. And anytime you need to be refreshed on these instructions, you can press this button and it will play this particular video once again. Okay, thank you.